How to turn off Safe Search on Safari on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Safari on your device and now in the search bar search for google.com. Now, tap on the three dots on the top left of your screen and you will see the option for Safe Search. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the off radio button you see there, and with this, Safe Search on Safari will be toggled off. So this was about how you can turn off Safe Search on Safari iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.